Mayors and council members' reports. Who wants to start? Mr. Tibbetts.
Yes, I do have a question. It's in regards to a lot of the Wi-Fi cell tower concerns that we're getting during public comment over the last few weeks. I remember distinctly about a year ago we received, I think it was a contract from the IT department where we made some decisions that would allow that to come forward as an option, and there was going to be future action taken. Has any action been taken without the council looking at it? That's a question for you, Mr. McGlynn.
Can you repeat the question? I was in the midst of something.
I'm sorry. About a year ago, we received, I believe it was a contract to have the option to engage in negotiations. I think it was with Verizon Wireless to do small cell towers. And we had some questions at the time, specifically, would any contract awardals come before the council? I don't recall any contract awardals coming before the council.
So we're happy to provide a briefing to the council, a recap of what was granted at that time, which was authority to move forward, and we can detail what has happened to date. We'll provide that briefing to council. I can't provide that this evening.
Okay. I'd be interested in hearing what decisions were made.
Sure.
Thank you.